This mixture is much stronger than Botox. It helps to firm the skin and eliminate wrinkles. Here is a unique and effective way to get rid of and prevent the appearance of the dreaded wrinkles and expression lines. So tell me from which city you are watching us. And the main ingredient for this recipe will be cloves. The clove is worth real gold bars for our skin. Clove is a natural analgesic and antiseptic. The eugenol is a substance present in clove as a natural antiseptic, acting in the elimination of acne, the balance of the health of your skin, preventing the appearance of wrinkles. To start our recipe, we will need 1 tablespoon of cloves. Put it in a pot and add 1 cup of water. Then take it to medium heat and let it boil for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, comment here on which city you are watching us from. After boiling, let it cool down. The color of the water will change completely. Now put this mixture through a sieve to extract only the clove extract. Our second ingredient will be coconut oil. Another ingredient that is very beneficial for the skin, as it is very rich in vitamin E. Add 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil and mix very well. Now take the clove extract to a small bottle with a spray bottle. If you want, you can add some cloves inside the bottle. This will greatly increase its benefits. Spray it on your skin every night before bed. Remember to massage well until your skin has absorbed all the liquid. Leave it on all night and remove it in the morning. And to remove it, just wash it off with running water. After washing, you will already notice that your skin is firm and silky. Use it daily and wrinkles will disappear once and for all from your skin. After use, always store it in the refrigerator. That was today's tip. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you to everyone who has watched it so far. A big hug and see you in the next video. Bye.